How to show/hide the Bookmarks toolbar in Firefox using a sane key shortcut. I want to show/hide the Bookmark toolbar in Firefox. The only way to do this at the moment is via Alt+V+T+B. Now, that's a lot of buttons to press for something I'd like to do all the time. Is there a way to automate this process by using any sane combination, 2 buttons?
As of Firefox release 84.0, you can show/hide the Bookmarks toolbar using Ctrl+Shift+B. Thank you at Cigar for letting me know in the comments. At Cigar did not have enough reputation to answer himself.
Update, fixed in Firefox 84, this URL. The shortcut should be Shift plus and LT, modifier and GT+V on all 3 platforms now, where and LT, modifier and GT is either Control or, depending on the OS. Now, you open the library with Shift plus and LT, modifier and GT+O. I like the mnemonic organizer, which changed the long-standing shortcut on some platforms and didn't make everyone happy. I for one am thrilled by the change, because I use all 3 OCs regularly, and having consistency is helpful. As you know, there is no shortcut for this like you would have in Chrome or Opera, and as of this writing, mid-2019, there are no obvious, straightforward ways of customizing Firefox's keyboard shortcuts anymore without doing something like coding. There are, as you might be aware, other options like macOS's keyboard pref-pane, AutoHotkey on Windows, and AutoKey on Linux, but I don't know if writing a script just to click a menu item qualifies as sane anymore. The Hide Bookmarks bar extension used to be a pretty okay option, and might still be if you are fine with running one of the ESSER releases or, update, ESSER dropped support for legacy add-ons in August 2018. A third-party fork of Firefox that still supports legacy extensions. However, as noted in that other Sue post, the Hide Bookmarks bar extension no longer works in current mainstream versions of Firefox. Given the present limitations of the Web Extension API, it seems unlikely at the moment that the Hide Bookmarks bar extension could be updated to work again as a web extension. This fork of Durando's original keyconfig, which still works with Thunderbird as of this writing, might have also been able to do the job, before mainstream Firefox dropped support for non-web extension add-ons. So, same situation. For these reasons, I would encourage you to voice your support and/or vote for Firefox bug number 1,328,637. Personal toolbar lacks a keyboard shortcut to show/hide the bar, on Mozilla's bug tracker.
OS X specific. Go to System Preferences and GT, Keyboard and GT, Shortcuts. Set in App Shortcut. Using StoTool and WMCTRL under Unix. This will toggle the Firefox bookmark toolbar, or to force it. We can link this command to a keyboard shortcut, or use in scripts.
If you want to talk to Chen, please consider the query.